G'day everyone, my name is Amelia Hitchcock and this is my DIY bridge. It's a Warren Truss bridge made of equilateral triangles of 0.15 metres. I made it using jumbo popsicle sticks and I connected everything together using a hot glue gun. If you come a bit closer, I can show you that the span in the air is 0.7 metres. And then the length of the bridge is 0.9 metres. So now we're going to do the 3 litre milk test. I've got a timer to time the 10 seconds. And that's the 10 seconds. So now we're going to load to deflection or failure. Starting off with a brick, this is 3 kilograms. I'm going to put it right in the middle. Alright, that's held it pretty well. Next we'll do 4 kilogram weight. Put it on this side. Okay. Next, the other 4 kilogram weight. I can notice that the sides are coming in a little bit. And now we've got the 2 1 kilograms. So I guess we'll start with that one. Okay. And now that one. If you come closer, we can see that the bridge is deflecting that way and is coming in a bit. If we come downwards, the bridge is deflecting a little bit, but it's still looking like it's keeping up. So now we're gonna load till failure. At the moment we've got 2 4 kilogram and 1 3 kilogram weight, so that takes it to 11 kilograms. And we're gonna keep loading 3 kilogram bricks until it breaks. So start with the first one. Oh, I can feel that deflecting. Yeah, that's gonna break right there. All right, I think that's gonna topple it. It's good staying. All right, let's see if we can do another one. Maybe we'll go here. Ah, still staying. Oh. Alright, let's do this one. I have no idea where to do it. If I put it there, it's gonna break. So. Whoop. That's it. So what we were left with was 4 4, so that's 8, 11, and then 14, 17, 20, I believe. So it broke at 20 kilograms. Thanks for watching. G'day, this is my reflection. So all in all, my bridge successfully held 17 kilograms and broke when I got to 20 kilograms. It broke pretty much more to one side, and it started to go inwards, which I mentioned in the video, and yeah, and it ended up breaking. I think the experiment went really well. Next time I'd probably use more glue, and yeah.